guys, welcome back to Digital Slang. Welcome back to the channel, back with another video. Today we are talking about a couple products from a company called Zero Lemon. Now these guys have battery cases for your phones. And on the left here, I got the case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and on the right, the Note 10 Plus. Now, the Note 10 Plus and the iPhone 11 Pro Max have some of the best battery life in the game right now as far as cell phones go. But we are always looking for more in a phone, and when I can get more, I have to look into it because it's a big deal, right? If you're a hiker, if you like to go outside, if you like to camp, or if you're just a heavy user, you like to play games on your phone, or if you just want that security of extra juice, well, the battery case is the way to go. And a lot of battery cases are crazy expensive. These come in at $24.99, and you're gonna double your battery life on here, right? The iPhone 11 Pro Max has a 3969 milliamp battery in it, and I usually get a day and a half worth of life out of it. And the Note 10 Plus has a 4300 milliamp battery in it, and I usually get about the same in that. Both of these are 5000 milliamps. Now, if you go check out their website, they got cases that are 10,000 milliamps, so you can get crazy life out of these. These are the 5000 milliamps, so the Note 10 Plus, we're gonna get 80 to 90% more juice, and the iPhone 11, we're gonna double. We're gonna get more than 100% more life with these cases on it. And these cases, they don't take away from any of the functionality of these phones, and I'll explain that as we get into it. But let's check them out. We'll open it up, see if they're bulky, see if they're slim, and we'll check it out. Zero Lemon, I'll drop the link below, and I'll drop the Amazon links below as well. But let's open them up, we'll check them out. So if we take a look, the packaging, Zero Lemon on the front, zerolemon.com. If we turn it over, it talks about their customer guarantee and their promise, 100% Zero Lemon promise, that if you don't like it for any reason, if it's not working for any reason, you can call and you can return it. They're all about customer satisfaction. So let's open these up and we'll check them out. So a simple box once we get into the packaging. So on the box itself, it just talks about safety precautions, right? And that's cool. They give you a little bit of safety warning. Before using the battery case, please read the following important information. It talks about do not heat the batteries, do not deform the batteries, do not take them apart. All the stuff you should not do when you have something with a battery in it. But we'll take this out. This is the Note 10 Plus version of the battery case. And here is the iPhone 11 battery case. We'll open these guys up. We'll throw them on and we'll take a look at them and see what they're all about, see how good they are. Now, battery cases are usually a little bulky, and it's expected because of the huge batteries that usually accompany the battery cases. So I don't expect these to be much different. Inside of the packaging, we get Zero Lemon equals zero defect. And again, this is about their Zero Lemon promise to you. So they are all about promising a quality product. You got your instruction manual here, and you also get a 12-month extended warranty, a free 12-month extended warranty. So really cool. And of course the same here. So this is for the Note 10 Plus, and it tells you about installation behind the top of the case, and put the phone in the case, slide the phone into the case, and ensure the phone charging port is secure. Now also, these are wireless charging compatible. You have your LED lights here on the back, and each light will represent 25% of juice on your case. And what's really cool, when you charge these up, when you throw your phone in here, the way it works, if you want to throw these on a wireless charger, or if you're charging from a brick and the wall, what's going to happen is it's going to charge your phone first, and then it will charge the case. So your phone is always supported first, which is really cool. And here we have the iPhone 11 Pro Max case. Press the power button to turn on, hold power button for 3 seconds to turn off. So really cool. And the logo here, these are a matte black finish, and they're not heavy. I thought they would be much heavier, but they're not heavy at all. So we'll take a look, we'll throw them in and see how they fit. So we are charging already on the Note 10 Plus. So with the iPhone now, you have to bend this back a little bit. It's all hard plastic, and then the top is soft, so you can bend it back and throw your phone in. And it's very interesting. but we'll slide it in, slide that over. So let's take a look at these. We're going to talk about the case and the Note 10 Plus. So this is the case for the Note 10 Plus, Zero Lemon, and again on the back we have our LED lights here and 25% for each. Now your camera's not covered up. It does have the camera cutout here on the back, so really cool, and it's not heavy. And actually, this is where the battery is, right on the back, and it actually kind of fits in your hand. And I actually like this case a lot, to be honest with you. It's not as bulky as I thought it would, and it's a slim fit around the top and around the sides, and it will protect your phone really well. It's solid. It's a solid build, and I dig that. Now, some of the cool things about this does support the Samsung DeX app. So really cool. You don't lose any functionality at all with this. And to give you a little idea of what you gain with a case like this, audio playback is going to be about 90 hours, games about 18 hours, standby time 168 hours with this case on this phone, talk time about 46 hours, video about 29 hours, and internet about 28 hours. So the juice you're gonna get and the battery life on this thing is impressive. And again, if you go on their website, there's going to be cases that are even twice as powerful as this. So really cool, and I'm impressed by the case. And I thought they would be much bulkier, but they're not bulky at all. This, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, feels a little bigger and a little heavier than the Note 10 Plus, but they're solid, right? You don't have to worry about much. If you drop them, they're going to be protected, especially on this side. The battery is going to hit first. And again, your camera is protected because this is raised a little bit more than the camera, and you're not going to lose any functionality there. But also, this is CarPlay supported, so you can plug it in and you're still going to get the CarPlay because you do have your port here on the bottom to plug into your Lightning connector, and it does support CarPlay. So really cool things. Wireless charging supported and many good things. You can data sync with these. It doesn't prevent any functionality whatsoever. And they're just impressive. If you guys are into hiking, if you're into the outdoors and you want that extra juice, a battery case is the way to go. And if you go to Apple's website, you're gonna buy a battery case like this for around 80 bucks, 90 bucks. So $24.99. Check it out on Amazon. Check it out on their website. I'll drop the links below. But Zero Lemon, these things are really cool, and I dig them. I think they're very nice. They're solid. It's a good build, matte black. If you like matte black, you're gonna like these cases, and they feel premium in your hands. And I really like the Note 10 Plus case. I think it's pretty dope. I would rock this case all day. All right, guys, these are the 5,000 milliamp battery cases from Zero Lemon, the Slim Juicers, as they are called, the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the Note 10 Plus, and they're going to give you a lot more battery life than you already get with your phone. And again, if you're an outdoors person, if you like to hike, if you like to camp, or you are just a really heavy user on your phone, then a battery case is the way to go. And it's better than spending 80, 90 bucks from Apple or from Samsung or some other company. You can get these for $24.99 on Amazon or through their website. I'll drop all of the links below. Check out their social media because they do weekly giveaways on their social media. I will also drop the links below for all of their social media. But ZeroLemon.com, really cool. 100% more battery life on the iPhone and about 80 to 90% more battery on the Note 10 Plus with this case. And again, they do offer cases that are even double the power, triple the power with this. And they do have other products that they sell on their website as well. So check them out, Zero Lemon, really cool, high quality stuff for a fair price. So I'll drop the link, but that's it for the video, guys. Let me know what you think of these cases. And I like them a lot. And I really like the Note 10 Plus case. I think it's solid, I think it's dope. I think it's a little slimmer than the iPhone case. But that's it, guys. We'll be back with more videos soon. Hit that like, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell for the latest updates whenever I drop a video. And we'll be back soon. Peace.